In this video, you'll learn how to view Jotform responses, whether you're collecting survey results, contact form entries, or registrations. Being able to quickly see what people have submitted is essential. I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process so you can confidently find and review the responses to any of your forms. First, open your web browser and go to jotform.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser window. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're signed in to your Jotform account. If you're not already logged in, click the login button and enter your account details. After you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Jotform dashboard where you can see your forms and manage everything related to your account. From your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see a navigation menu with different options that organize your forms. Find the option labeled All and click it. This All view is useful because it shows every form in your account in one place instead of having to click around into different folders. It's especially handy if you have a lot of forms and you're not exactly sure where a particular one is stored. Once you've clicked All, you should now see a list of all the forms in your account in the main area of the screen. Take a moment to locate the specific form whose responses you want to view. You can scroll through the list, or if you have many forms, you might use the search bar at the top to quickly find it by name. When you've found the form you're interested in, move your cursor over that form to reveal more options. Next, select the form and look for an option labeled Submissions or Inbox, depending on the layout Jotform is currently using for your account. Click on Submissions. This is the key step that takes you into the detailed view of all the responses people have sent through that particular form. It might open in a new page or tab, but either way, you'll now be in the area where all your form data is stored. After you click Submissions, you'll see the responses for that form displayed on the screen. Typically, Jotform will show them in a table or list format with each row representing one submission and each column representing a form field such as name, email, or any questions you added. From here, you can click on an individual submission to see all the details, scroll through multiple responses, and sort or filter the data if you want to focus on certain types of entries. This view is where you'll spend most of your time reviewing and managing your data. You can usually download responses, export them to a spreadsheet, or print them if needed. But at the most basic level, this is how you simply access and see what people have submitted. So, to recap the flow, go to jotform.com and log in, click All on the left to see all your forms, select the form you care about, click Submissions, and your responses will appear. Once you're comfortable with that path, checking your Jotform responses becomes quick and routine every time you log in.